let's set up the A73 for the first time. Opening the box. Taking out the manual. This one is useless. Taking one the camera. And I think the battery. What is the battery? Here underneath. Battery here. Half the way. Okay, first operations first. Okay, let me remove these. It's really making noise here. So let's put some of the Peak Design quick release buttons here. Second operation is to mount the lens on it. Quick look, perfect. Before I even try to put this on, I go for Hoya Super Multi-Coated Protector, 77 millimeters, and this is an HD protector filter. What it does is to be neutral on the picture, but just protect the glass. Okay, done. Unlock the button. First time I take it over here. And I put it on immediately. Was a bit sturdy. Let's see. Next operation is to put the battery in. Interesting lock system. It doesn't close. You have to close it. Two memory slots, slot 1 and slot 2. Let's see. So these two slots are not equivalent. Slot 1 is UHS 2. It requires a highly performance memory card. This one is the one that goes in slot 1. This is the memory 1 stick from Sony, and slot 2 we are gonna put the Extreme Pro. We are gonna put in slot 1 the Sony, so this way. and in slot 2, the XC. And that's it.